Yeah, just a few hours ago, this entire parking lot here was covered by crime scene tape and police officers. We know the man was shot, but we know he was not killed. Now, this all started when Tulsa police got a warning call from the crisis center line about a man claiming that he wanted to be killed by police. Police found him, and we're going to try to get him some help. Officers say he got out of his truck armed with 2 guns and his eye on officers. Police are trained to handle any situation, but they say it's hard to tell how an unstable person will react.
You never know what somebody's intention is. You know, if somebody's in a bad position where they've come to the point where they believe whatever is going on in their life is enough, and they want out of it, they're going to do whatever they have to do to get out of it. And sometimes, unfortunately, they will bring other people into that.
The man was shot in the neck, his condition unknown at this hour. Coming up later in the newscast, we're going to tell you what we know about the officer involved in the shooting. Live in East Tulsa, Patricia Santos, 2 News works for you.